Hi there guys, my name is Troy. Now all the men out there who like to accessorize, I have just the perfect thing for you. This watch combo from Acnos is an absolute all-rounder. The set has a watch for every occasion. Let me show you the best ways to style this up. Let's go. This set includes 3 stylish and comfortable Quartz analog watches. All 3 have a very contemporary and minimal design, which makes them perfect for any kind of event. The watches are made of premium quality materials, the case is made from brass, while the bands are made of leather. They are also water resistant up to a depth of 30 meters. With 3 color options, you can easily pair any of the watches with all your outfits, whether it's formal, party wear or casual. This set has everything that watch lovers could ask for, so go ahead and try them out yourself.